Hi and welcome to a makeup video. Today I'm going to be doing a simple everyday makeup look that is perfect for beginners. So let's get started. And this is just perfect to keep my hair out of my face. So first and foremost, you want to moisturize your face. I use Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with an SPF of 15. Honestly, I already did it, so I don't need to reapply it. And then after that, you want to use sunscreen. I use the Biore UV Aqua Rich. It's very moisturizing and it's like a gel-like consistency, so it's really good in my opinion. Now we're gonna put on primer. This is perfect to like keep that makeup in your face, you know, just grips it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use my hands, just gonna squirt a little bit like that, and just gonna like put it in the main areas. So like your cheek area and definitely your eyes, because today we're gonna be doing mostly eye makeup. Honestly, you just place it where you put a lot of makeup on. There. And next, so because I want to make it like beginner friendly and everything, I'm not going to be using foundation, because foundation can be like really like in your face, if you know what I mean. So instead I am going to go in with concealer. So I use the Ken Make color mixing concealer. You can use any concealer that works for you. This is what it looks like. And yeah, and honestly, it's a little bit too light for me, even the darkest shade on this thing, but you want it to be a little bit lighter than your skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with this color. This is the dark. Yeah, the dark. So I'm just gonna go in with it a little bit. And I'm just gonna put like under my eyes and like areas you want brightening, and also like areas that are where you have blemishes and stuff. So I'm just gonna under my eyes a little bit, just blend it. Just go right at the other side, like that. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, it's like here and here. And then I'm gonna put it like around my lip area, because that's where it's kind of dark. So, and like above my lip too. That's kind of weird, but yeah. And then I think around your nose. I put it around my nose. I'm just gonna put on my nose like that to brighten it a little bit. And then you can see how it is so far. And I'm gonna put it between my eyebrows, because that area is usually where there's a lot of pimples and stuff. And just you don't want to put too much, because you don't want to overdo it and make it look cakey. So just keep it light and simple. So it's like that. I don't know if you can really see it. Now I'm just gonna use my hands to like blend them out. I think that's all. Let me just check with the mirror, because I can't really see through the camera. I need a better mirror. So I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit with a little bit more concealer, you know, here and there, because some areas are still not perfect and still kind of dark. So yeah, you want to put on your eyelids so that you can blend your eyeshadow easily. And also to brighten it, because my eyes are a little bit dark. You want to go in and blend it in. Yeah, just like that. You can see how my face instantly looks like. Oh, I also forgot. You should put on a little bit of lip balm on your lip before it starts, so that your lips are like nice and moisturize before you put on your lip product. So just on your lips. And yeah, I think it's good. And yeah, so now we're gonna go into the next step, which is blush. So here I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Contour. It comes with a blush, a highlighter, and what's it called, a contour. So it's really good. It's a really good like everything set. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it, and I'm gonna grab my brush. So I'm gonna use my brush, and I'm just gonna put it in the blush and put it around, and then just gonna tap it a little bit, and then we're just gonna apply it. So I'm gonna apply it more like here, the center of my face ish, if you know what I mean. So like around this area. So just slightly. Repeat on the other side. So yeah, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's around this area. I'm just gonna put it a little bit more. So there, it should be done. And next, I like to put some as well onto my nose and maybe my chin outside. But here I have the MAC. It's actually an eyeshadow brush, but it works because it's small and it's perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply some of that and just put on my nose. And there you go. And on my chin, I think. Honestly, actually, I think I'm gonna switch to a bigger brush. So I'm back to my blush brush. I'll put on my chin. So there we go. Yeah. Now we're gonna go into contour. So I'm gonna grab my contour brush. So contour brush. It's usually in like a kind of like an angled thing like that. So I'm gonna go in with the contour, and then I'm gonna just apply it right there under my cheekbone, but like not too much, just enough. So like a little bit more close to my jawline, like there. I'm just gonna bring it down like that. And there we go. There we go. Yes. So I think that's good for now. So now I like to go in with my powder over here. I use the Can Make Marshmallow Finish powder. It's so good. It's really good for mattifying and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna come in with the puff it comes with. I'm just gonna rub it in, and I'm just gonna put it on the areas I don't really want oil. So like my forehead, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it under my eye like there, on both sides, so like that. And then I think that's good actually. Just gonna put above my lip because I usually get really shiny there. Maybe a little bit more chin like that. So there, it's done. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's mattified. So now we're gonna move on to my favorite part, the eyes. So if I'm being honest, you only really need one eyeshadow palette. My favorite one I've been using for years is this Ramen one. It comes with a beautiful brown, a glitter, pink, and a natural and like skin toned color. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna, first you want to start with a base. So here I'm gonna just use this one, and then I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid, so like that. So there, you can't really see it, but yeah, and you also want to put it under your eye and there. I don't know if you can really see it. Next, so today I want to go for more like a pinkish colorish thing, so I'm gonna go in with the pink next, this one. So I'm just gonna apply the pink. Usually I like to start in the middle and just make your way out like that, and then eventually though you wanna add more and more on the outside, but just like very lightly, because it can go very wrong and could look interesting to say the least. And then you want to put under your eye, use a little bit of the pink and put under your eye too, so like the halfway point right here and just here. And then you eventually want to make your way more in and in. You just want to do a light dusting. So yeah, you can start to see it a little bit, like the pink. My lighting isn't very great, but yeah, you can start seeing the pink just a little bit. And once you're done, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of brown, because just add more depth of color. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like very light brown, not too much, just a little bit like this. And then you want to use it mostly on like this part, just like a very light dusting from the outside to like here. And you just want to blend it in halfway point ish, and you just want to like try to blend the two colors as best as possible. And yeah, you can kind of see it, and I think it's done. The eyeshadow is pretty much done. So now we're gonna go in with the eyeliner. So eyeliner, I like to use a pencil liner. This is perfect for beginners. I use a Deja Vu Lasting Fine. It's in a brownish color, I don't remember, but yes, it's like that. So I got this in Japan. It's really nice. It's like you want to keep it at a very short length so that you don't mess up and you don't want to accidentally break it, because I've done that accidentally. So yeah. So this is really good for beginners because it's controllable, it doesn't dry too quickly, and you can like bring out the wing more if you want. I'm just gonna start, like instead of going in the very beginning, I'm gonna start like right on the like a third of my eye, so like here, and I'm just gonna lightly outline my eye a little bit, so like here. And you just wanna so very slowly bring it out. Usually to make it more natural, I like to bring it more downish up, like a very small slight wing. So yeah, so basically you start here, and as you slowly bring it out, you wanna just, you know, lightly do it like that. You can use your nails, and just kind of bring it out, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like that. Voila. So now I'm just gonna repeat it on my other eye. And there we go, we got it done. So now I'm gonna go in with the eyelashes, my favorite part. One of my favorite parts, because I feel like the eyelashes really add pizzazz to your eyes so that they look just 10 times better in my opinion. So I'm gonna get my eyelash curler. So yeah, so first you wanna use your eyelash curler. This is the eyelash curler I have, it's a little bit dirty. Sorry for that, but yeah, so this is a portable eyelash curler actually, and it's really convenient and easy to use. So just wanna, I use the top part and I'm just gonna push up my eyelids a little bit like that, so that the eyelashes are directly in the curler's pinch, I guess. And then you're just gonna slowly curl it, and you want to bring it up while you are curling it, just slowly like that, so that it looks like that. So I'm gonna do that again. Be careful not to pinch your eyelid, because that has happened a lot of times to me and it hurts. And there we go, we're done. So we have it curled on both sides. Now it's time to get in with the mascara. So I have a couple mascaras I like to use. So today I'm gonna go in with the MAC Stack mascara. So yeah, I'm just gonna start on this eye first. I'm just gonna do a zigzag motion and bring it up. That's what it looks like. If it's comfy, I have an eyelash comb. This one is from Heroin Make as well. If it gets comfy, I like to use this so that I can like separate it, and it just separates them. So, and there we go. It's even. You can really see it. I'm just gonna use the mascara one to make it more straight, because sometimes it likes to be a little bit wonky. Now I'm just gonna put it on the bottom of my lashes and like make it vertical like this, and you're just gonna do that very lightly. And there we go. And now I'm gonna repeat on the other eye. And there we go, it's done like that. Now I'm gonna go in with this Art Class Frottage pencil. This is like a glittery pencil, it's really nice. I'm just gonna lightly put it under my eye a little bit, so like here. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit so it's not too much. So yeah, the camera isn't really doing it justice, but it looks better, trust. Now I'm gonna go in with a highlighter. Highlighter is another thing that really adds pizzazz in my opinion. I'm gonna use actually an eyeshadow brush because it's the easiest. So going in with the same Maybelline palette, I'm just gonna use the highlighter a little bit. I'm just gonna lightly do that. So I'm just gonna put it in the corners of my eyes, just very lightly. And there we go. Next, I'm just gonna put it on the top of my nose like this. Right here, just very slightly. And then I'm just gonna put some highlighter on the top of my lip, like right here. I'm gonna add some highlighter here, and yeah. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows a little bit using eyeshadow because they're really easy to use. So I'm just gonna use my eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna put it here just to fill it in a little bit. And I'm using the brown right away, like that. Now I'm gonna be onto the final part. Now moving on to the final part, I'm gonna be doing the lips. I'm just gonna go in with the Shazam lipstick in the color 101. This is a really nice lip color, so I'm just gonna apply it. Usually I start in the middle and make my way outside, so like that. There we go. So now I'm just gonna get ready, and then I'm gonna show you the final product. And voila, that's the final product after styling and changing. So there we go. Thank you for watching my makeup video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you want to see more makeup videos.